Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to autofill contextual images for your blog articles in just one click. Let's dive in. Let's start with the image keys, since that's what powers our auto image feature. First, paste your Unsplash API key here. Notice this field, Image Provider Order. This tells SheetBlog which source to try first. Right now it's set to Unsplash, then Pixabay, then Pexels. And there, you'll see the confirmation. Image keys saved. You're all set. Now let's head over to our GS2Web SaaS spreadsheet. Open the SheetBlog menu from the top toolbar. Select the row with your article. Then from the SheetBlog menu, click Find AI Image for Row. SheetBlog reads the title of your article, sends it to your connected image source, in this case Unsplash first, and automatically fills in a contextual image that matches your content with image alt and image credit. That's it. With your own API keys securely saved, SheetBlog AI runs image and content actions on demand right from your spreadsheet.